And she says, I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here at this beautiful beach, which is Utorda beach in South Goa. So I'm going to be taking you around and showing you this beautiful beach. This is definitely one of the best beaches to come to in South Goa. I would recommend this beach any day of the week because it's one of the most cleanest beaches and it's so beautiful here. So definitely one of the best places to come to, guys. So let's go and check out this beautiful beach. Before that, if you don't know who I am, my name is Moses J. Sildana and I'm a local YouTuber from Goa. So I do a lot of videos here in Goa and I show you some of the best places to check out, guys. So definitely do check out my channel and let's go and check out this beautiful beach. So guys, we are now entering Utorda beach. As you can see, welcome to Utorda in this board here, and the sand is super clean. It's so white here and it's very beautiful. So you can see that there is this small little creek that comes in and it mixes in with the sea water here. So this place is very beautiful. A lot of movies have been shot over here and different events happen here. This is a very popular place. There's a hotel right here which is called the Royal Orchard, which is a very nice hotel and it's right next to the beach. So in case you want to come here, and if you can see in this, let's just look into this creek here. So this creek is full of small fish. Oh my god, there's so many small fish inside this creek. Hey look, there's so many fish. So okay, then my wife and my cousin are in the background, so I'm just showing them. There are lots and lots of fish. So they're like this size and they are, oh my god, there are so many. So it's literally filled with fish here. So it's very beautiful here. This is one of my favorite beaches in South. My uncle always tells me to come here, so today I told him where should I shoot, and he said definitely go to Utorda because it's really beautiful at this time. So again, there are so many fish at the moment here, these small little fish. And see, my wife and my cousin are trying to jump across this thing. Okay, that was a fail. She couldn't jump across. That was such a fail, epic fail. So you just have to go here like this. So the water comes from the creek over there, and as you can see, they're trying to jump across. Let's see how they can do it. Will you be able to jump? Jump. So if you can see, the creek comes in, all the water comes in from there. Jump, just jump.
Ew. How do you jump from there?
From there. So there are many shacks here and they have like a candlelight dinner thing here in the evenings. So if you want to have a meal in the evening, you can come here. So I'm not pretty sure at the moment which ones are open, but as you can see, the chairs are here and the tables they're setting up. So there is a shack which is there. It's a restaurant actually, and which I think is called Z-Bob, which is one of the most popular ones here. And as you can see, the beach is very beautiful. The sand is really beautiful. See,
I want to wash my feet.
So the water at the place I just jumped across is not really clean water, so it's pretty dirty. So that's why Sharon is running. So Sharon is my wife, so she's running to the beach to wash her feet. So as you can see, the flag is red and white. So red and white is actually, you can swim here. So that's my cousin, so she's also going to wash her feet. So this is one of the best places to stay in South Goa if you want to have a really good time and you just want a private beach. This place is it. There is no boating, there is nothing here but just an incredible time. And if you can see, that is Vasco. So that is Vasco Industrial Estate area. All the industries and all the factories are that side, and the airport as well, which is right here. So it's very close to Vasco, so you can reach from the airport to here in around 15 minutes. So if you're just coming for a short holiday to Goa and you just want to enjoy the beaches, definitely choose this place. If you're just looking for beach time, this is it. So this is one of the most clear long beaches you can have, and definitely I recommend this place. It's so beautiful. And if you see in the distance that side, there is Velsao beach, which is quite full right now. So there are lots of people at the moment, and that is a beach which only locals go to basically. So there is not much foreigners that side. It's mostly locals and some tourists, because there are many 5-star hotels in this range. So you have the Hyatt and stuff like that, which is here. I don't know if it's the Hyatt. Yeah, I think it's the Hyatt, but there are many hotels here. So guys, I'm going to take out my drone now and show you some incredible shots of this beautiful place.
Turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them that you like that line. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them turn up the bass. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, turn up the bass. DJ turn it up, bring it back, 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 back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back, back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, 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 back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. Turn up the bass. Bring it back, 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 back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, 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 back. DJ turn it up.
So guys, that is it from here at the Utorda beach. If you like my video, please do give a like and do subscribe. If you're old, please do check out a new video, guys.